Here I have REALME C30, and today I'm going to show you how to format SD card on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to go to settings, then go to the storage section, then go to your SD card, tap here, go to the storage settings and select format, then tap format SD card, and after a few seconds SD card will be formatted and ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.